many if you want to create animation like this using PNG files. So today's video is for you. Today we will learn how to easily animate an image. So let's get started. First, I will drag a PNG logo into the timeline and scale it down to make it smaller. You can see the PNG file here. Now we will go to Effect Control and select the motion option. Then I'll move the logo to the left side. Next, we will turn on the position keyframe after moving forward a little on the timeline. We'll select motion again and move the logo to right side. Now you can see that an animation curve has been created. We can customize this curve so that the logo moves exactly how we want it to. I create a smooth curve here and how the logo will animate. Following that curve, if I play it, you will see the animation is complete. We can also make the logo a bit bigger if we want, so it will animate and stop at a specific point. For more amazing video editing tips like this, click out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe to stay connected with us. Thank you.